Hi! In front of me is REALME C55 and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons on this device. First of all, you need to hold your device's screen and tap on icons at the bottom. Now swipe left or right on this icon slider in order to adjust them. You can see a preview above. When you're ready to save your changes, click on Apply at the bottom. And as you can see, after that, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!